Good morning, Cougars. This is Mr. Martinez with a special guest from second grade. Good morning, Noah.
Morning.
Hey, thanks so much for being our first second grade co-host today. Are you ready to lead us in the flag salute?
Yep.
All right, let me get you a flag. Let me put it up here for you. And take it away, Noah.
Put your hand on your heart and start. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Oh, perfect. Thank you, everybody. Happy Monday. Today is Monday, September 21st. We send out our best wishes to all of our families that's celebrated Yom Kippur this weekend, and Rosh Hashanah is just around the corner. Hopefully everybody had a nice weekend, and it's going to be great weather today. Low 80s. The air is much better. Noah, did you get outside and do any playing this weekend?
Yeah.
Okay.
I actually went swimming.
You went. I went swimming this morning, and it was a little bit chilly. But it's nice to get in the pool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very good. Well, listen, Noah was randomly selected. Noah, what did you think when you were the top second grader that was picked to be my co-host?
I didn't think they would do second grade.
Oh, well, I'll tell you what, I wasn't originally going to do second grade, but third grade did such an awesome job. I thought, let's give second grade a shot. Let's see what they've got. Noah, I've got some questions for you. Let me put them up on the screen and tell me when you see them. All right, do you see the first question there, Noah?
Yeah.
The question is, what activities do you do during your school breaks? Now, taking a break is so important. Let me show you. This is second grade schedule. At 10:10, they have a quick snack restroom stretch. At 11:10, they've got another snack restroom stretch. And then you've got a break there for lunch. Noah, what activities do you try to do during the school day during those breaks?
Sometimes I have gymnastics bars outside, so I do gymnastics on my bars.
So you get out and you do a little exercise, get your blood flowing, right? Oh, man.
Yeah.
How do you remember what time to go back to your class? How do you keep on schedule?
The alarm clock.
Oh, so you know what? That is a great one. Boys and girls, if you're not using an alarm clock, try to use one so you know when you're supposed to be back on your Zoom like Noah. Noah, here's question number 2. Describe Noah in 3 words.
Kind, hardworking, and funny.
Kind, hardworking, and funny. Those are awesome 3 words. Remember, we are celebrating through our diversity community and the Unity Fair, what makes you, you. You've heard what makes Noah her, and being kind and funny. What was the third one again? Kind, funny, and
hardworking.
Hardworking. Those are 3 awesome words to describe yourself. Noah, I'm going to be asking all second graders this week to do a little show and tell. So I want you to show me one family possession, something that your family has that is really, really special. And you sent me this picture. Tell us about this.
Well, I had that forever. It was in my old house, and we just keep that because it reminds us of our friend and family.
Okay, so do you have a lot of family roots in New York?
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. So every family has something that they own, they possess that's really special to them. And here you see for Noah's family, New York has got a special place in their hearts. Noah, thank you so much for answering our questions and sharing that.
You're welcome.
Now, we've got some virtual comment box suggestions. I want to remind all students, all you have to do is go to our website. Right on the homepage, you can submit a joke, you can do a question, a comment, or shout out. I think we have a lot of shout outs today. Share your first one, Noah.
I want to give a shout out to my BFF, Alexandra F. Thank you for always being there for me. Sophie, room 25.
How nice, Alexandra and Sophie. Second one I've got is I would like to give a shout out to my awesome brother who I can always trust and is always there for me. And he is so nice. Love you, bro. And that's from Bentley in room 16. Shout out to his bro, Dawson.
Shout out to Dahlia for being the best friend. Zoe, for being the best friend. Zoe, room 23.
You know what, everybody, if you want to get recognized maybe on the morning announcements, all you got to do is be a great friend. Somebody might be giving you a shout out. Here's the last one. This is from Joya in room 22. She says, I would like to give a shout out to my teacher, Mrs. Greenlee, for being awesome. Great shout out to Mrs. Greenlee. Very nice of you, Joya, for doing that. Now, something happened on Friday. Let me get my, I've got a picture here, and we have a picture of Supreme Court Justice. This is Ruth Bader Ginsburg. And our announcements this morning, or I should say our words of wisdom, are going to be about Ruth Bader Ginsburg. Are you ready to do the words of wisdom with me, Noah?
Yeah.
All right. Last Friday, Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg died at the age of 87 due to complications from cancer.
And although the notorious RBG, as she had endearingly become known, is no longer here, her inspiring work and words remain.
RBG graduated from Cornell University in 1954 before attending Harvard Law School, where she was in a class of 509 students. And guess what, Noah? Of the 509, 500 of them were men and only 9 were women. The dean of that school reportedly said to the 9 female students, "Why are you at Harvard Law School taking the place of a man?" Well, RBG believed that she had an equal right to an education as any man, and she would later transfer to Columbia Law School, where she earned her law degree and tied for first in her class. Before serving as an Associate Justice of the Supreme Court of the United States for 23 years, she spent much of her legal career as an advocate for gender equality and women's rights. Listen to her words on feminism, the belief that men and women are equal.
Feminism is the notion that we should each be free to develop our own talents and not be held back by man-made barriers.
Today, boys and girls, remember Ruth Bader Ginsburg as you start your day.
Whether you want to get good grades, break a record in sports, or do something that has never been done before, believe in yourself and press on.
That's right. With something to think about, this is Mr. Martinez.
And Noah.
Make it a great day.
Or not.
The choice is yours. Noah, do you have any shout outs that you want to share?
Yeah. I want to give a shout out to my twin brother Max in room 1, Mrs. Jones.
Woo woo!
And I want to give a shout out to Mrs. Freiberg for being the best teacher ever.
Hey, Mr. Freiberg. Noah, you were an awesome co-host. Thanks so much for showing the second graders how to do it this week. We hope you have a great day at school. Everybody have a wonderful day. We'll see you tomorrow on the morning announcements. Bye, Noah.
Bye, Mr. Martinez.